Please subscribe for more videos.
What a jumble! All the colours and shapes are mixed up. Can you help me sort them out? Brilliant! We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colours.
Those colours are orange, yellow, red, blue and green.
Why don't we start with orange? I've got my fishing hook. Let's find an orange. Pick it up. We found an orange pentagon. Post it in the orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shall we knock them down in the orange? 1. Now I found an orange square. Number 2. Here is an orange star. Number 3. Here's an orange circle. Number 4. Here is an orange triangle. Number 5. We found 5 orange shapes. Let's try and spell together. This is a sun. S-U-N. Sun. Can we try and find the right letters to make sun? We need a S. S. There's an S. S. Now we need a U. This is a U. Next, we need an N. There it is. N. S-U-N. Sun. Sun. We spelled sun. Great job. Now let's find yellow. I can see one right here. This is a yellow star. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. 1. Can you see any more yellow shapes? There's one. This is a square. Pick it up. 2. This one is a yellow triangle. Pick it up. Number 3. This one is a yellow circle. Pick it up. 4. And where's number 5? A yellow pentagon. Let's try a different one. Boy. This is a boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Let's try and find the letter B. B. There it is. B. B. The next letter is O. 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 The next letter is Y. Y. And here's the Y right here. B-O-Y. B-O-Y. Boy. boy. This spells boy. The next colour is red. There's one. This is a red square. One. Oh look, there's 3 in a row. This is a red star. 2. This is a red triangle. 3. This is a red pentagon. 4. This is a red circle. 5. We found all the red shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here's our 2 balls. Let's count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The next one is blue. Here we have a circle, a blue circle. 1. This is a blue star. 2. This one is a blue square. 3. Here is a blue triangle. 4. And this one is a pentagon. 5. Let's try another one. Mix them up. This is a box. A box. B-O-X. B-O-X. We need to find a B. Found it. B. B. Next is the letter O. Oh, can we find the letter O? There it is. O. Oh. Now we need the letter X. X. We found the letter X. X. B-O-X. B-O-X. Box. This spells box. The last colour is green. Here are our 5 green shapes. Star, pentagon, square, circle, triangle. Let's pick them up and put them in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done, we sorted all the shapes into their colours.
Please subscribe for more videos.